Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English with AI. Today, we're going to learn the difference between it's without an apostrophe and it's with an apostrophe. Many people get these two mixed up, but after this lesson, you'll never make the mistake again. Let's start with it's with an apostrophe. The apostrophe replaces a missing letter in a contraction. It's is short for it is or it has. For example, it's raining. It is raining. It's been a long day. It has been a long day. Tip: if you can replace it's with it is or it has, and the sentence still makes sense, then use the apostrophe. Now, it's without an apostrophe is a possessive pronoun. It shows that something belongs to it. For example, the dog wagged its tail. The tail belongs to the dog. The phone lost its signal. The signal belongs to the phone. Tip: think of it's like his or her, they don't have apostrophes either. The most common mistake is using it's when you mean possession. For example, crossmark the cat licked its paw. This is wrong. Correct version, checkmark the cat licked its paw.
Now let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. I'll read each sentence and you say the correct word. It's with apostrophe or it's without apostrophe. Ready? Let's go. The dog wagged tail. Going to rain tomorrow. The company changed logo. Remember, if you can replace the word with it is or it has, use an apostrophe. Leave your answers in comments. So remember, it's with apostrophe means it is, or it has, and it's without apostrophe shows possession. Check your sentence. If you can replace it with it is, or it has, use the apostrophe. If not, leave it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe Easy English with AI for more English tips.